I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, the mountains, North Carolina. Tonight, we've got a pretty cool little radio, new in the box, or new old stock, I should say. It is the Radio Shack 40 channel, 5 watt, TRC 241. At first glance, it looks just like a Midland that I have in the Mirage. I can't remember, the 77, I can't remember the model number off the top of my head. 822, 77, 822, I think it is. Looks just like it, but it's not, and it's gonna be cool. Once you look closer, you see there's something different. What it does have is a weather alert. It sounds a tone when there's a severe weather warning in your area. It does include a regular old-fashioned rechargeable battery pack and an AC charger. It gets the weather channels, full legal power, no airtime fees, no license required from Radio Shack. No longer realistic. This is a Radio Shack model. Catalog number 21-1679. And on the side here, takes 8 AA batteries if you wanted to do that. It does have jacks for earphones and external mics. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. All right, well, let's go ahead and open it up. I've been wanting to play with this ever since I picked it up a while back. And other than to realize that it is not a Midland clone. I mean, it's probably made by Midland, but it isn't. Let me tilt the camera down a little bit more. It is not the exact same, that's for sure. It's missing some features. All right, inside the box here, we've got a cigarette outlet adapter. Ooh, that's a tiny plug right there. Look at that little plug. Okay. Good not to lose that. Then we have a wall outlet, Radio Shack AC adapter. And that is 12 volt, 200 milliamps, so not a whole lot going on there. Then this would be our NiCad battery. I have to say, I feel like it's probable that this is just not going to be functional. Recharge between 32 degrees and 95 degrees. Yeah, 11 of 02 is, I think, the date code there. So pretty darn old. Pretty darn old. In fact, 11 years old. I doubt that has any life left in it. Comes with a PL259 to BNC connector, so that's kind of cool. So you can hook this up to a vehicle's antenna on the roof, so you can use it while driving as an emergency mobile, or you could use it and hook it to what I'm going to do today. I'm going to hook it to the Antron and use it as a base station. And then the main unit here, that's it for the box. No manual, unfortunately. And then the main unit here, and so here we have, you know, that part there would be where you put your AA batteries in. Most people would be using that at this point if they were still using it. And then here is where I realize that this is not a Midland. There are only 2 plugs here, one for positive and one for negative. There is no way to hook this like the Midland. You can see, here's a picture of it. You can see you can hook a Midland, you slide that in there and it has a base setup. So I can hook it up to my car, which is what I have it in the Mirage. Looks like there was a clip here, a belt clip. That also is no longer here. But now, other than that, if you were just looking at this, you'd be looking at something saying this is pretty darn close to what the Midland looks like, and so probably the same molding, the same casting. All right, we do have high and low power, a beep, we have a light, we have alert, on and off and lock, we have CB and weather, 919. It does have scan. That's pretty rare and pretty cool for something of this era. On-off volume, squelch on-off, BNC connector. Now the antenna for this is also missing, but again, we're going to be using this with a base antenna, so that's okay. But this is also cool. The Midland does not include that. We do have external mic and external speaker connections on the top there, so that's kind of cool. Here, channel up, channel down, and of course transmit. Right on. Okay, well, I'm going to plug this in, so just give me 1 second. And there we go. This being probably one of the smallest fully functional CB radios you'll ever have. This is it. This is the whole thing right here packed in. Well, is it going to work? Let's find out. It does. I'll be. This one defaulting to 17. Looks like there's some damage. Hopefully y'all will be able to see it, but there's some screen damage there. Squelch. right, that's working. So we have a bar graph here that I assume would give us our readings. We'll move down to a station that... Yeah, you can see the bar graph move up. We have a backlight. We have a battery indicator. In this case, since we're plugged into the side here, we're good to go. We have an alert on and off. We can change the weather station.
Of 3.76. The record amount of precipitation is 6.75, which was last set in 1961. The record minimum precipitation for the period is 0.21, which was last.
Cool. And then 9, 19. Press and hold while you turn your squelch up, and scan begins. I hope you guys are able to see it. It's pretty bad even in person. Turn our scan back off. We'll go 9:19. But it works. I guess we'll have to see. We'll move up to a channel here. Channel 17, let's give it a shot. Woo! Brake channel for a radio check. Well, I'll tell you, it does work because brake channel, it's transmitting through that. That doesn't even have an antenna hooked up to it right now, so I know it's working. Low power would be to preserve battery power. Press and hold to beep. Now we have beep. You can see the little. Press and hold again, it goes away. A pretty cool one and a pretty rare one. I don't recall, now maybe since it was 2002, I don't recall these coming out. I don't recall them existing, to be honest with you. But it is nice that you have the option of using it as as a walkie-talkie with a mobile, regular batteries with the NiCad, which again is probably long dead, or plug it in and then plug in a base antenna and have yourself something to use there. I guess that'll do it for tonight, my friends. I hope you will take a second and head on over to the other channel. It's Farpoint Farms, Restorations and Repairs. I put out 2 videos every week on both channels. Now, I'd love for you to join me over there. Maybe hit the subscribe button and like a video or 2 while you're there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Take care, my friends.